This time on AWS, I'm going to talk about basic concept of data lake. And you must have heard about these days jobs for data scientists. You must have heard about big data. So let's understand what all that is. Because of social media, data is there, Facebook, Instagram. These are the data from social media. But on the other side, when we are in the IT side of it, there's a logging and monitoring of the data, text file, videos, audios, you name it. The world we live in, there is all type of data. And that data is both structured and unstructured. Today, with the old school or traditional model of the data is relational database, RDBMS, which is Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle databases. And when you go and book your airline reservation, you're putting your name, your details, your address. So you're filling that form, you're putting that information in a structured manner. That's why it's called a structured database. This is one of the examples. What is unstructured is a log file, a text file, a YouTube video, data going from mobile devices for analytics, data going from your systems monitoring, event logs going into there. So that kind of data is unstructured. And that's why you can put these two types of data, structured and unstructured, from different sources. As I told you, it can be audio, video, text file, and it can be structured data, everything into a centralized location, which is a concept of a database. And then you put there, which is a data lake in AWS. And then you can run analytics, you can run machine learning models there without worrying about structuring the whole data. So you can develop your AI model and machine learning model on that raw data and then get the most out of it. You can then run analytics. Let's say if you put some iPhone or Android, say, hey, do you want to share the data with this company like iPhone? So when iPhone is collecting the data from your phone when an app crashes, for example, so there are millions and millions of devices. If they want to do some analytics, what this caused the problem, for example. So that kind of analytics can be done. So that data is going to be stored somewhere in the cloud, which is, in this example, is data lake. Same thing, you put tons of videos, and these videos are not structured, but if you want to run some analytics, you can do that. You can run some machine learning model. So that's why is the benefit. And because of the size of this too much data, that's why you need to store data, could be in terabytes to petabytes and maybe zettabyte depending on the company. You need cloud because it's elastic, it's scalable, it can grow as needed. And that's why you have to deploy data lakes in the cloud. And that's why AWS has this feature available, which is all major cloud provider has the same, more or less same offer. But with respect to this video, we are talking about data lakes in the cloud. And you can see big companies like Netflix, Zillow, Nasdaq, Yelp, all they are trusting AWS for the business, for critical analytics workload. So that's it in this video. If you like it, let me know and we'll do some more deep dive. Thanks for watching.